So eighth one is a retailer who had kept a books of accounts under single entry system supplied the following information he gave, and he is asking us to prepare profit or a loss statement as on 31st December 2008. Stock he gave, it is an asset, creditors is a liability, debtors is an asset, cash is an asset, bank OD is a liability, bills receivable, furniture, machinery, all three together are assets. He gave drawings for the year amounted to 2,600, depreciate furniture by 10%, write off 300 from machinery, means it's also depreciation. Debtors include 500 as a bad debt and make a provision doubtful 5% on a debtor. So this is very simple problem. You can do it. Now go to the ninth one. He gave Mr. Rampal keeps the ninth one which we are going to do it now. So this is our ninth problem. So he gave Mr. Rampal keeps his book single entry system and he gave January 1st, 2007 and 31st December 2007. He is giving us a bank OD, which is liability, furniture, land and building, investments, debtors are assets. Sundry creditors is a liability. Stock, motor car, cash, plant and machinery, all are assets. So only two liabilities we have. Then additional information was during the year he withdrew 10,000 for personal use, means drawings. And 1st July he has introduced a further capital of 20,000 by selling his private house. We are least bothered about his private house. We are only concerned did he contribute to additional capital or not. So that is what he has done. Appreciate land and building by 20%. Debtors include 1,000 from customer who is insolvent and irrecoverable. Maintain a reserve for bad and doubtful debts. Depreciate plant and machinery 10%, furniture 5%, motor car 10%. So this is what he has provided as the information. So first, we are going to write as statement of affairs as on 31st December 2007. Now, good afternoon all. So liabilities, this is 1st January asset, so 1st January 2007. This is 31st December 2007. Then assets, 1st January 2007, 31st December 2007. Now first he gave with a bank OD, so I am also going with a bank OD only. So that is bank OD. First one he gave 10 and second one he gave 12,000. And only we have one more creditors, that is sundry creditors. So that also I am taking this side so that I can wind it off. Sundry creditors. So sundry creditors, one is 30,000 and second one is 40,000. So this is it. So my liability sides are done. Now I'm going with the asset side. So first foremost was furniture. So furniture.
20,000.
Okay. Here also it is 20,000.
3,000.
Then
Land and building.
land, ding,
70,000.
70 here. Here also it is 70. After that, again we have to go only current sorry, fixed assets. So motor car I am taking. In the first year it is nil and in the second year it turned out to be 20,000. After motor car, next Plant and machinery,
Plant and
which is
40,000,
40.
ma'am.
Yeah, 40. Now we'll go with the other assets. So here first we have investments. So investments is also here first year nil, second year it is 10,000.
10,000.
Then we have sundry debtors,
20,000, ma'am.
20,000, and second one is 30,000.
30.
After sundry debtors, stock we have got it, which is 45,000 and 50,000.
50,000, ma'am.
Mm. Next, anything else?
Cash.
Yeah, right. We forgot a cash, no? So the last one is cash,
Cash.
which is 10,000,
20,000.
20,000. So tell me how much? Someone add and tell me. How much is the total? Someone do first and second, the rest others do the second one. 20, 70, 90, 90 plus 40, 130, 150, 160, 2 lakhs 5,000. Something change you're going to get it. Yeah, Manisha. First one is 2 lakhs 5,000. And what about the second one then? So 2 lakhs 5,000. Here is 20, 90, 90, 1 lakh 10.
260,000.
Yeah, 2 lakhs 60,000. So here it is 2 lakhs 5,000 and here it is 2 lakhs 60,000. So therefore the capital balancing figure is how much now? So 2 lakhs 5,000 minus 40. It will be 1 lakh 65,000. And here 2 lakh 60 minus 52. 50 minus 60. 50 minus 60 అంటే 8,000 కదా. అంటే 2 lakhs
Yes,
80,000.
ma'am. 2,80,000.
Now we'll move on to the next one. That is statement of profit or a loss. So here we are going to have again particular amount. So first we are going to take what?
Closing capital.
So we are going to take first one is closing capital. So closing capital, how much we got?
2,08,000, ma'am.
Yes, 2,08,000. Then to this one we are going to add drawings. Did you give drawings?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 10,000. So when we add together, the total of the benefit will be 2,18,000. And from these, we are going to minus,
Additional capital.
yes, additional capital. So additional capital, how much he gave?
20,000.
Okay, so this we are supposed to minus, so I'm keeping in the bracket. And immediately we also will minus what? Opening capital. So opening capital, how much we got? 1 lakh. Again, I'm going to have it in a bracket.
65,000.
Now tell me how much we got a balance. 2,18,000 minus 1,65,000 and 18,000.
$33,000, ma'am.
Yeah, right. So to this one, we usually add incomes, and luckily we have an income here, that is appreciate the land and buildings at the rate of 20% on 70,000. So how much you are going to get it?
14,000, ma'am.
Yes, 14,000. So when we add it, the total of the value will be now 47,000. And next we are going to go for minusing other things, that is expenses. So in these expenses, the first one comes is bad debts, because the debtors include 1,000, which is irrecoverable another. Irrecoverable means it is nothing but a bad debt. So how much is the bad debt we gave? 1,000 rupees we gave. So 1,000 I am taking here. Then what is a provision to be calculated? So reserve for bad debt at the rate of
5%.
5% on 29,000 I'm taking. How I got 29,000 is 30,000 minus. The current year debtors are how much? Current year debtors, just see on the right side. The current year debtors are 30,000. So from these 30,000, I'm going to go for minus the bad debts, if any. So in the just above figure, we have seen there was a bad debts of 1,000 rupees. So that's why these 1,000 rupees I am minusing. So I got how much now? I got 29,000.
29,000.
On 29,000, I am going to calculate 5%. So how much it will be now? Got it? Same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is reserve for now. Rest all are depreciation. So depreciation on plant and machinery at the rate of 10% on 40,000. So how much it will be? 4,000.
4,000, ma'am.
And same depreciation on what is it? Furniture. So nature at the rate of 5% on 20,000. 20,000 only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is 1,000 rupees. Next one, again he said on depreciation on motor cars at the rate of 10% 6 months. Four, 8,450. That too in the minus. Okay. So here motor car 10% we are supposed to charge on 20,000 ma, but just see in the balance sheet he gave motor car. Beside that he said 1st July. It was purchased on a 1st July, and we are closing on 31st December. So 1st July to 31st December. How many months? How many months it is? July to December, 6 months. So that is the reason we are going to provide only for 6 months. Now for 47,000 minus 8,450.
అయితే టెంపుల్ వేరు మార్కెట్ అంటే టెంపుల్ కాదు శానిటైజర్ రుద్దుకొని చేతులు కడుక్కొని
How much?
38,550.
Yes. So this is the net profit we got. $38,550, no? So that's it. So let me draw the lines first. So this is the first, this is the second, okay, did you all take it? Did you all have taken it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now move on to the next one. The next one we are going to do, 10th one I'll tell you tomorrow whether it is a homework or we are going to do it in the class. As of now I am doing 11th one. So 11th one, already he has prepared opening capital. Yeah, Maitri, checked it. So liabilities, amount, assets, amount. So first one, what all he gave, just let me give. Sanjay and Swaroop are a partners sharing a profits or a loss in 5:4. Their position as on 1st April 2008 was as follows. So he gave a capital Sanjay Swaroop of 60 and 40, which is equal to 1 lakh. Then assets, he gave machinery, data, stock. So machinery value here it is 40. Then bills receivable, cash in hand he has given, sundry creditors, bank OD. Now, as on 31st of March 2009, their position is as follows he gave, that is stock, machinery, cash in hand, debtors, bills receivable, cash at bank, sundry creditors. So find out a profit made by firm. Also show the statement of affairs at the end and after following adjustment, he said. So depreciate on machinery 10%, increased on a capital 8%, interest on a capital 8%, provide 5% on a doubtful debtors, he said. So here, the sum goes like this. First, we are going to go with machinery. So machinery, what is the new value he has given? 60,000. And then what else he has given? Stock, which is 36,000. Then bills receivable, which is 20,000. After bills receivable, then cash, sundry debtors, did he give? Yes, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors is 52,000.
52,000.
Then cash in hand. Cash in hand is 14,000. And bank is, how much is the bank? 6,000, right. So did we miss out anything? Just check it. All the things did we take? Sundry creditors is 12,000.
12,000.
Yeah. Only liabilities we have is sundry creditors. Rest all was assets. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, we have taken everything. Now tell me the total. 60, 96, 96, 1 lakh 16, 1 lakh 16 plus 1 lakh 78,
1,88,000, ma'am.
1 lakh 88. 1,88,000. So balance of capital is how much then? Capital balancing figure.
1,76,000.
Yeah. Okay. Statement of profit of loss as on 31st March 2009. Particulars, amount. Now, first, the closing capital is how much? Just now we got 1,76,000.
6,000.
Actually, in this one, did he give any drawings or additional capital? Means there was a nil. He didn't give us any kind of adjustment. So these all are nil now. Even less. The above is drawings and below one is additional capital.
Capital.
So nothing he has mentioned. So that's why this is also nil. Again, we go for less opening capital. So opening capital in the opening balance sheet we are going to check. So how much it will be? Both the partners, that is 60 plus 40, which is equal to
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So this is in the bracket because it is a minus. So when I minus it, how much it is going to be now?
76,000.
Yes, I'm going to get 76,000. So to this one, we will add incomes, but here we don't have any income. All the things we have is expenditure. So it's nil here again. So next we are going to go for less, that is expenses. Under this we have three adjustments. He gave depreciation, interest on a capital, provide a provision for doubtful debts. So that first I'm taking, that is reserve for bad debts. So how much percent is it? 5% on how much is the bad debt sundry debtors we gave? 52,000. So on 52,000, how much it will be?
2,600.
Yes, 2,600. And then I'm going to calculate interest on a capital. Capital at the rate of 8% annadu. That too on a opening capital we are going to calculate all this. So 1 lakh mida 8% ante it's 8,000. Okay, and the last one is depreciation on machinery at the rate of 10%
6,000.
40 plus 20.
6,000.
So it is a minus. I'll tell you why it is 5,000. It's actually 6,000 kada. But why it is 5,000 I have made. And that too I have written as what? I have written as 40,000 plus 20,000. So this is one more reason. So here the last net profit is equal to how much?
60400.
So 60400. So this is it. So let me tell you why I have done like that. So first, this is the first line. This is the second, and why I made like that, because machinery, he gave how much in the opening balance sheet. Usually until now, whatever we were doing it, we used to have opening and closing balances, we used to show the same value of the asset. But here, opening machinery value was how much? Is
60,000.
opening balance sheet వాడే ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో మనకి it was showing 40,000. So on this 40,000, 10% I'm going to do it directly. So which is going to be how much? Is equal to 4,000. Okay. Then closing low, how much was extra? Extra
20,000.
balance is 20. That how I got is 60 minus 40. So on this, I'm going to calculate at the rate of 10%. Apart from that, for 6 months. Why it is so? Because here, usually, as per the books, the value of the asset was something only 40,000. But in between, means start అయినప్పటి నుంచి by the end of the financial year, suddenly 20,000 has increased, and 20,000 has increased. We don't know when we purchased. The date is missing, but somewhere we know it has been purchased in the mid of the year, because in the starting the value is 40, by the end of the year it is 60. So somewhere I assume that this was purchased somewhere in the mid of the year. So when I don't know the particular month we have purchased, we assume that extra amount we purchased exactly at the mid of the year, and we calculate only half percentage of depreciation. Okay, fine. So 20,000 has been,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
he didn't provided us any information. So I assume for what? It's purchased in the mid of the year. So 20,000 or 10% means 2,000 I'm going to get. Half year I have to calculate, means I'm going to get it how much?
1,000.
1,000. So therefore my total depreciation I'm going to take it as 5,000.
5,000.
Okay, please send me this one screenshot of this one, because in the first class I could not able to complete it. So I'll share this pic with them. Stock 36 నాన్న క్లోజింగ్ చూడాలి. క్లోజింగ్ మనం ఓపెనింగ్ ఓన్లీ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ క్యాపిటల్ కోసమే చూస్తాం మనం. Okay, the class may end at any moment. 1 second.